Hi friends, this is Vijay Nagpal and welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud Labs. In this video, I will show you how we can recover AWS Windows EC2 Instance using EC2Rescue Tool. So if you have worked on Windows physical server in the past, you might have encountered issues related to Windows OS corruption, or maybe sometime you might see that after security updates installation, system is not booting up, or you are getting blue screen of death, right? Or maybe server is not accessible due to the RDP issues or some Windows firewall services issues, right? So if it was physical server, you could have accessed the server using ILO or direct to reboot the server in last known good configuration mode, or you might log in with local administrator to stop Windows Fire service, correct? Pretty easy. What if this happens with AWS Windows EC2 Instance? There is no ILO or no direct console. So does that mean we cannot recover the server, or do we need to rebuild the Windows EC2 instance? The answer is no. We have one utility called EC2Rescue, which can be used to reboot the faulty Windows EC2 instance in last known good configuration, or you can configure firewall services, or even you can reset local administrator password as well. Or if you want to capture the operating system logs, the application system or security logs from the faulty EC2 instance, you can capture that one as well using EC2Rescue. So I'm going to show you the demo, how we can use the EC2Rescue tool and how we can perform all these exercises. To use EC2Rescue tool, we need to have one working server which should have Windows 2008 R2 or later operating system, and that should have .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 or later, and that server should be accessible from RDP connection. For your convenience, I have pasted the link to download EC2Rescue, or you can Google it to download. Let's log into AWS console. So in my lab I have two servers running, WinVM01 and Jumpbox01. Jumpbox01 I'm using for troubleshooting perspective or to take the RDP of other servers. Jumpbox01 where I will install my EC2Rescue tool and I will recover the faulty WinVM01. So I have these two servers running currently. This is my WinVM01 and this one is my Jumpbox01, which I'm going to use for the EC2Rescue. So what I need to do is, first I need to attach the volume of WinVM01 to Jumpbox01 because we need to recover WinVM01. So I'm going to just shut down. Let me see what type of volume it is using. The volume ID is ending with E693. So I'll go to this volume. I will select this and detach from WinVM01. I'm getting error because server might be still in the stop mode. Let's go back to instance. The server is stopped. Go back to volume and detach. So this has been detached. Now I'm going to attach this volume to Jumpbox01. Let's refresh this page first. Attach volume. Attach with Jumpbox01 as a secondary volume. I have attached this volume and now go back to Jumpbox01. This is my server. Open computer management. Here you will see additional drive which is in offline mode. So we'll make it online. Now we need to recover WinVM01 in last known good configuration. So what I will do is I will install the EC2Rescue tool on this server. So there was a prerequisite of .NET Framework 3.5. So let's install that one first. Go to Server Manager. Add roles and features. Next. .NET Framework 3.5. Restart, install. Now you see .NET Framework 3.5 has been installed. So we'll close this, and now we will download EC2Rescue Tool. Before that, let me disable the IE security configuration. And I have opened the link to download EC2Rescue. This is the same link which you can see in the slide. Scroll down and you will see the tool here. I have saved this tool. Let me open the folder. This is in zip format, so I will unzip this. Now I can see EC2Rescue application. Right click, install. Accept the license. Next. So you want to recover the offline instance, which was WinVM01. I will select offline instance. This was the drive attached as the additional drive XVDF, and check the status online. So I will click next. Yes. And here you can see you get three options. One is diagnose and rescue. Let's click on this one first. So if you want to check the services, for the Windows firewall services, enable, disable, the RDP connections, or if you want to reset the password for the EC2 Windows server, or you can select this one, click on next, or you want to start the RDP service manually, right? So let's see what all other options we have here. Restore. This will give us the option to restore into the last known good configuration mode, or if you want to restore registry from the backup, you select this option. The third option is to capture the logs. If you want to capture the logs for Windows VM01, click on this one. You can capture the logs from here. If you want to capture the application system logs from here, you can capture from here. Or if you want to capture the registry or Windows update log, all type of logs you can capture from here. So what we will do is, because we need to restore the server into the last known good configuration mode, so I will select this one. I will click restore. It will give me the message. I will click on OK. Now the operating system has been set into the last known good configuration mode. I will click on next and finish. OK. And go back to my computer management console. You will see the drive in offline mode. I will go back to AWS management console now, and I will attach the volume back to EC2 instance. So currently this is attached to Jumpbox01. You can see from here, this volume is attached to Jumpbox01 as a secondary volume. So what I will do is, first I will detach from here. Refresh, and then I will attach back to WinVM01. And now I will attach this as a root volume. /tab/sda1. So the volume has been attached back to WinVM01. We'll go back to instance. Select WinVM01 check the volume which is attached correctly, and now I will start the instance. The instance has been started now. This is how you can use EC2Rescue Tool to recover Windows EC2 instance, or if you want to capture the logs, or if you want to reset the local admin password, you can reset that one as well. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.